Reborn, baby, ayy. Collectibles, oh, for adults. Get it, little baby. Hey. Hey. Alright. We're gonna get this little one dressed. Say hi, everybody. Hello. I need you passing for a minute. Just for a minute, little baby. Okay? Alright. Just for a minute. Just for a minute. Baby, alright, little baby. Get it, bud, hey, hey. Boom, 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 boom. I got on this pretty little flower dye. Yo, I do. Get out, girl. Boom, boom. Cut it out. Okay, TT. There wasn't no problem, good. Hey. Put your shirt on. Hi, Peekaboo. I see you. Peekaboo. Okay, this onesie gonna be a little big, but that's okay, because I didn't have no newborn onesies. No, I didn't, so this is 0 to 3 months. It's so pretty, though. Yes, it is, Mama. Hold on, girl. Hold on, girl. You did? I did, TT. Get a little baby. Reborn, baby. Ayy. Collectibles. Oh, for adults. Made by hand. By your TTA. You're not gonna find us in no store. No, no, no. No, no, no. You're not gonna find us in no store. No, no, no. No, no, no. Ayy. A Reborn, baby. Collectibles. Ayy. For adults. Ayy. One of a kind. Ayy. TT on a brand. TT try to shine. Baby and kids unlimited. Ayy. TT on a grind. TT try to shine. Baby and kids unlimited. Hey. Hold on, little baby. Alright, there she go. Alright, there you go, mama. Let's do this hair, okay? Let's do this hair. Get you so fresh and so clank, clank. Alright, you ready? You ready to get your hair done, girl? I'm ready, TT. Okay. Don't be falling over here.
How long has it been since I kissed you?
How long it's been, baby? Hold on. Turn around. Say it gets curly whirly. I'm gonna cut a curly. So I gets curly whirly when I'm wet. Alright, hold on, little baby. Done by hand. Done by hand by your hurt. Ready, y'all. Our pencil ready. How much y'all think she weighs? How much y'all think she weighs? Cause I don't weigh. Where we gonna put you at? She's a whole 4 pounds, 10 ounces.